Does your heart start to beat a little faster when your phone rings with an English number? Do you ever hesitate to make a call, worried you won't find the right words? You're not alone. Phone conversations can be one of the most challenging parts of learning English because you can't see the other person's expressions or body language. But what if I told you that by the end of this video, you could handle almost any phone call with confidence? Stick with me because we are about to unlock the essential sentences you need to master the art of speaking English on the phone, from a simple hello to handling complex business arrangements. Hello and welcome. I'm here to guide you through a comprehensive lesson that will transform your phone skills. Today, we're going to learn 50 incredibly useful sentences for real-world phone conversations. These aren't just random phrases. They are the natural, everyday sentences that native speakers use for work, with friends, and for appointments. Our lesson will be simple and effective. For each sentence, I will first say it at a normal pace, then I'll repeat it slowly so you can master the pronunciation. After that, we'll dive deep into what it means and, most importantly, when and how to use it with practical examples. Ready to begin? Let's get started. Part 1. Starting the call and introducing yourself. Sentence 1. Hello, this is your name speaking. Slow pronunciation. Hello, this is your name speaking. Meaning and use. This is a classic and professional way to answer the phone, especially in a business context, or to introduce yourself when you were the one making the call. It's clear, polite, and direct. Example 1, answering the phone. Hello, this is Tom speaking. How may I help you? Example 2, making a call. Hello, this is Sarah speaking. I'm calling from English Unleashed. Sentence 2. Hi, may I speak to person's name, please? Slow pronunciation. Hi, may I speak to person's name, please? Meaning and use. This is the most common and polite way to ask for a specific person when someone else answers the phone. Using may I is slightly more formal and polite than can I. Example 1. Formal. Hello, this is David. May I speak to Mr. Wilson, please? Example 2. Slightly less formal. Hi, may I speak to Sarah, please? It's Tom calling. Part 2. Stating the reason for your call. Sentence 3. I'm calling about, slow pronunciation, I'm calling about. Meaning and use. This phrase is perfect for getting straight to the point. After you introduce yourself, you use this to state the topic of your call. It's used in both formal and informal situations. Example 1, business. Hello, this is Maria. I'm calling about the invoice I received yesterday. Example 2, personal. Hey, it's me. I'm just calling about our plans for this weekend. Sentence 4. I was wondering if you could help me with something. I was wondering if you could help me with something. This is a very polite and slightly indirect way to ask for help or information. It's softer than saying, I need help. It prepares the listener that you are about to make a request. Example 1. Hi Sarah, it's Mark. I was wondering if you could help me with something. I'm having trouble with the new software. Example 2. Hello, I'm calling the customer service line. I was wondering if you could help me with my recent order. Sentence 25. I'm sorry, I'm having a little trouble hearing you. I'm sorry, I'm having a little trouble hearing you. This is a polite way to inform the other person that the connection is bad or that you can't understand them clearly. It's much better than just saying, "What?" Example: I'm sorry, I'm having a little trouble hearing you. The line seems to be breaking up.
Extra tip. A lot of learners struggle with this part of a conversation. It can feel awkward to interrupt someone. In fact, many popular YouTube videos, like one titled 25 Advanced English Phrases for Phone Calls, often highlight the importance of clearly communicating when you can't hear. It's better to ask someone to repeat themselves than to misunderstand important information. Sentence 39. Could you spell that for me, please? Could you spell that for me, please? Meaning and use. Use this phrase anytime you need to confirm the spelling of a name, an email address, a street name, or any word you're unsure about. It's essential for getting details right. My last name is Schmidt. Could you spell that for me, please? Certainly. It's S-C-H-M-I-D-T. Extra tip. Never be afraid to ask for spelling. It's a sign of a careful and attentive communicator. If you've been practicing with guides like Learn 45 Common English Phrases for Phone Calls in 15 minutes, you'll know that confirming information is a key skill. This phrase is your best tool for that. Part 10. Ending the conversation. Sentence 49. Thanks for your help. Have a great day. Thanks for your help. Have a great day. Meaning and use. This is a wonderful, positive way to end a call, especially after someone has assisted you. It's friendly and professional. Example: Okay, that's all the information I need. Thanks for your help. Have a great day. You're welcome. You too. Goodbye.
All right, I'll let you go. Talk to you later. All right. I'll let you go. Talk to you later. Meaning and use. This is a very common and natural way to signal the end of an informal conversation with a friend or colleague. I'll let you go politely implies that you know they are busy and you don't want to take up more of their time. Example: Okay, sounds good. I'll see you tomorrow then. Perfect. All right, I'll let you go. Talk to you later. You too. Bye. And that's it. 50 real sentences for your phone conversations. We've covered everything from starting a call to wrapping things up naturally. The key now is to practice. Try using a few of these phrases the next time you have to speak English on the phone. You'll be amazed at how much more confident you feel. If you found this comprehensive lesson helpful and want to continue improving your English with practical, real-world examples, please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel, English Glow. Your support helps me create more content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.